5-minute crafts fashion.
I like what I see.
Okay, Doc.
All right, she's cutting her shirt.
That is a waste of a shirt. Yeah,
It is,
cool.
isn't it?
Maybe they make it.
Safety pins. Whoa, that's
Wow.
quite impressive result.
You could have just had a normal thing, but like you
Alright.
had to make it extra.
But what if they unclipped and you can?
Yeah, you can unclip it. Like it takes 5 hours to unclip it.
Imagine you unclip one and it actually pokes her. That's a safety hazard.
Yes. She's sticking.
All right, she's
patches.
bandaning you crazy.
That's kind of cool, actually. She's
Alright.
doing that a little messy there. Okay, very
What
messy.
is going on?
This is like the Joker's lipstick. but
Probably
with
tripping on
nails.
bath salts.
What?
What?
What? Wait a second. Where it was all my life.
What?
That's pretty good. You
No way. That was a
Did not
cap.
ask me.
Guys, that was a
Just
cap.
let's-
Right.
stacking those loafers.
Okay.
Wow, very tall.
Add some height to you.
Yes.
There we go.
No more spiders.
Oh!
No spiders.
Spiders can't climb, of course.
All right,
Now
what's
Peter
that?
Parker disappointed.
Yeah, Spider-Man's like, oh dang, it's too high to climb.
One yellow butt cheek.
Why are they doing this?
Second yellow butt cheek.
I don't want to see a minion's butt right now.
And now what? That's it.
Is that it?
Any difference?
It makes your bum bigger.
It does?
I guess so.
That's horrible.
all right.
Okay,
All
we
right,
got some
little pom poms.
some mustard glue.
There we go. Whoa! That's a lot of pom
That
poms.
is too many pom-poms.
At least
Looks warm.
keeps warm. at
Looks
winter, yeah.
warm.
Looks warm for
That's
sure.
the biggest compliment I can give her.
That.
All right.
Okay.
That was kind of cool.
Stitching it up. She has a big hole in it now.
Ooh, those are little hearts.
Wow.
Good for her.
Good for you.
Yes. All right, a little pad. Oh, that's a sock. She put a sock on her pad. Oh, wait.
Now she's putting another sock on
sock
her
on her
pad,
pad.
and she's gonna put it back in.
All right.
Just wash it.
Yeah, maybe just wash it.
All right.
It's like 5 cents per pad. Maybe just.
Oh,
you
it's
know.
a party. It's your scene, Flint.
Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing for you. You have a giant hole in your shirt.
Oh no.
Let's do 5-minute crafts.
Reminds
Fix
me
it.
of my high school.
Make more holes.
Make more.
She's going to be holy.
Genius.
Oh, they just keep coming.
Ah! What is the point of this?
Holy jacket.
That's like that that fear of holes, the triphobia.
Okay. She
Okay,
looks-
just checking herself
she's,
out really.
She's bored with her shirt. Okay, she's wearing a leotard. All right, tucks it under her bra. And
Here
then,
we go.
That's cool. That's really good.
Boom.
Excellent.
We applaud you. Excellent. All right. I'm going to pimp out my long trousers.
Yeah, that's like a pirate look right there.
There we go.
It's like a scarecrow.
Straight away, badass.
Yeah, I like it.
Boom. Now she just needs a sword.
Ready to fight Batman.
Exactly.
Bada boom.
On my way out to fight Batman. Looking cute as freak.
Okay. No. I see where they're going. You know what? That might be fun. We have to test this one, Archie.
Boccolini.
Yes.
Wow.
Shuffle.
You can do the Michael Jackson moonwalk, but with less controversy.
All right, she doesn't know what to wear. You know what? I'm gonna wear this shawl, because that's what I do. I wear shawls.
Excellent shawl.
There we go. In
For
one
shawl.
thing, in the for shawl. All right.
So it's like really baggy sleeves.
It's just a scarf,
Oh, it's just a scarf. No, it's
but
sleeves.
now it's sleeves.
Wow.
There we go.
Look fashionable.
That's pretty cool. I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's not how you sweep. I work as a waiter. I know that's not how you sweep.
all right. I think she's bored.
Yeah.
She's bored, or maybe she's allergic to the dust.
Oh, some party going on.
Oh, what happened there? Teach me that trick.
That's the 5-minute crafts I'm interested in.
All right, that's actually kind of cute.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's cute.
Nice.
It's so easy, no?
Yeah. She just turned it upside down.
See, well,
Okay.
why aren't there any men fashion
Oh,
things?
they are. They are.
There are?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
We need to find it.
Yes, next time we're gonna watch those so we can
All right.
pimp ourselves out.
Okay.
Okay, well that one's not that impressive really.
Okay.
Sorry, it's just a
Like
shorter
crop,
top.
like a crop top.
You just
yeah.
cut off the bottom.
And now she's just wearing the same thing, but
Yeah, but the normal
yellow.
style.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
What was that hack?
What a good hack. You just like kissed
Interesting.
the camera.
Okay.
Okay, fine, it worked a little, but
All right.
dunk
Some
white
magic
trainers.
there.
Poor trainers.
Rest in peace, trainers.
Yes.
Oh.
That is so
What?
ugly. Wait,
What?
No.
No. That
Wait.
looks awesome.
wait.
Nice
Well,
technique.
They
No.
could have gone a little bit better with the technique, but it actually looks good.
It's okay. It looks
Ish.
like space threw up on your shoes.
Waterproof shirt. No, it's not.
Oh.
What you gonna do with
Her
it?
scarf. She's gonna use her scarf.
Yes, yes.
Told you.
Queen.
Hold it.
Yes, queen.
Yes, queen.
Yes, queen.
Yes. All right.
Oh boy.
Oh, you wrap it around the buttons. That's cool.
Okay. And use a half. Wow.
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 Excellent.
Wow.
10 stars. 10 stars.
All right. The red T-shirt. Let's just cut the red T-shirt because we don't need it.
Oh, they're making
Ooh.
a leotard.
That's the tiniest amount of glue I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's not great.
Okay.
It looks
It's
uncomfortable
strong
too.
enough.
All right. Textile glue. Here we come.
Yeehaw! Yeah. Oh no, her dress is stuck in the thing. Oh.
That's kind of was what?
Okay, don't worry. Her friend has covered her up
Yeah.
in a red ghost costume.
Yeah, and she just appears from nowhere.
Yeah.
In the middle of nowhere.
That's how friends should be, honestly. They should just appear out of nowhere. Okay, one hole
Yeah.
for the arm,
Oh.
another hole for the arm.
And now,
Now-
we have a house.
Still a ghost.
Yes. Kind of not bad. But what about that dress which was left on the car?
Oh no!
Ah!
She got pooed on!
Ah!
Come with me! I have exactly the thing for getting pooed on. It happens to me every day.
Oh.
Okay, let me just cut off your clothes.
Yep.
Jeez.
Okay. Don't worry. It's actually. Have you ever pooped by a bird?
I have pooped. Have I ever been pooped on?
Yes.
Oh, no, I've never been, but like my stuff on the table has been, which was very upsetting. When I was studying in school, I remember having one of my books open and a bird just
Dang.
on chemistry.
Oh. It was.
That's how I felt about it as well. So
Wow. Wow, that was crazy. But.
what is happening?
Blue
She just doesn't seem like she wants to be there. This is peer
worst.
pressure. This is the worst kind of peer pressure.
Yeah, don't film.
Don't film this. Don't film it.
Don't film it. What about the.
Oh, she's not
Yeah.
making
Okay, they made this.
tie dye.
Well, that's fine. Okay. Again, this Facebook line.
Yeah, this is just Facebook Universe 101. Has anyone ever cut your clothes in public?
Thanks God, no.
Are you sure? We should try it.
Shall
Guys,
we?
let us know down below if this video gets 5 billion likes.
No, it doesn't
I'm
work.
gonna cut off
okay.
his clothes. Never. Pause.
So, I think anyway, we should ask them the kind of real likes.
Okay, so if,
No, not about this situation.
if this video gets 10 likes, that's it.
Only
10.
likes. Then
Maybe we'll talk about it. Okay, I'm ready to see this outfit. What's gonna
Yeah,
happen
yeah.
here? Come on, lady. Wait! It's actually not bad. I like the red at the bottom.
bad, yeah.
That's looking good.
When they colored the bottom part,
That is the best possible outcome. Usually these are not that good.
I think that's about it.
Yeah?
I mean,
Am I
no
right about
way
my-
with these small bumps you can achieve it.
Okay. Give us more.
More reactions.
Right now.
Please. Car.
Oh no!
Oh!
She got pooed on.
Ah!
Come with me. I have exactly the thing for getting pooed on. It happens to me every day.
Oh.
Okay, let me just cut off your clothes.
Yep.
Jeez.
Okay. Don't worry. It's actually. Have you ever pooped by a bird?
I have pooped. Have I ever been pooped on?
Yes.
Oh, no, I've never been, but like my stuff on the table has been, which was very upsetting. When I was studying in school, I remember having one of my books open and a bird just
Dang.
on chemistry.
Oh. It was.
That's how I felt about it as well. So
Wow. Wow, that was crazy. What about you guys?
you ever been pooped on by a bird?
Yeah, there is nothing to shame you.
There's nothing. Yeah, you shouldn't be ashamed of it. It happens to all of us.
But for my surprise, I have never.
You've never been pooped on?
Yeah. So.
Not by a bird anyway. Oh my gosh.
Very bad.
Okay, so
Did I miss something?
she just had her clothes cut off, so you didn't miss anything that hasn't already
okay.
happened. Okay, so more clothes
Be
being cut off.
careful. I'm kind of. It's like a trigger for me than scissors so close to the body.
Me too.
Like, oh, yeah. Okay, so got it.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh, she's so happy.
Oh no, I spilled all the spaghetti on my shirt. What do I do?
I don't get.
And
Oh.
now it's on my phone. That's disgusting. All right.
So
Her boyfriend's calling her like, let's meet up. She's like, I won't step 5 feet into my dressing room to get dressed. No, I'm going to cut off my clothes. Okay, this is just like,
she just okay. It's
she seems to be really
Now,
enjoying this process.
now we know the whole lady is doing this thing before
Exactly, before a date,
date.
this is exactly what happens, yeah.
And we're like, okay, see you there. And they're like, I need to cut everything.
Let me just get all the spaghetti off of me.
Yeah. And when she didn't came,
Yeah.
it's like, something
It was a
bad.
spaghetti explosion.
Yes. Okay, good jobby.
Don't worry, bro, you didn't get stood up. She just was in a freak spaghetti explosion.